Chennamma Deve Gowda, wife of former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda, was laid to rest with full state honours in Mavinakere village of Hassan district on July 20th. Thousands of people gathered to pay their last respects. Chennamma, the mother of Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy and MLA H.D. Revanna, passed away on July 18th at the age of 89 after suffering a cardiac arrest in Bengaluru. Her last rites were held at the foothills of Ranganatha Swami Betta in Holenarasapura Taluk. A gun salute was accorded as part of the state honours. After the ceremony, the tricolour draped over her mortal remains was handed over by Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar to an emotional H.D. Deve Gowda. Leaders cutting across party lines attended the funeral. Chief Minister Shivkumar, ministers, senior Congress and BJP leaders, religious heads including Sri Nirmala Danta Swamiji and top government officials were present to pay their respects. Kumaraswamy, Revanna and other family members carried the palanquin before the burial, which was performed amid Vedic rituals. Married to H.D. Deve Gowda in 1954, Chennamma was the mother of 4 sons and 2 daughters. Despite being part of one of Karnataka's most influential political families, she largely remained away from public life and politics.